If you skip on filing the BOI report, it could cost you big, up to $500 a day for a maximum of $10,000 per violation, or even jail time of up to 2 years of imprisonment. Let's talk about the Beneficial Informational Reporting and the Corporate Transparency Act, which went into effect on January 1st of 2024. What does that mean for you and your business? It's pretty important, so I'll break it down into easy to understand sections. Number one, who needs to report? If you've got a company that was set up through state filing, or if you're a foreign entity doing business in the United States, a corporation, LLC, or a partnership, you need to report. But there are some exceptions. Big publicly traded companies, large operating businesses with a strong US presence, and certain inactive entities do not need to worry about this. Number two, what about subsidiaries? If your parent company is off the hook for reporting, then you as a wholly owned subsidiary are too. Otherwise, you will need to file a Beneficial Ownership Informational Report with the Department of Financial Crimes Network. Number three, deadlines to keep in mind. If your company was formed before January 1 of 2024, you have till the end of December 31st, 2024 to file this report. However, if you're a newcomer and your entity was formed after January 1st of 2024, you only have 90 days from the date of formation to file the BOI report. Number four, what goes into this report? You'll need to include a lot of details, including your company's full legal name, any trade names, your main address, where you were formed, your tax ID number, your social security number. Plus, you'll need some detailed information about anyone who has significant control or owns more than 25% of your company. That means names, birth dates, social security numbers, addresses, ID numbers, and even a copy of their ID or driver's license. Number five, who is considered a beneficial owner in the company? This is anyone who has substantial control of the decision-making authority that goes into a company. It could be a senior officer, a board member, the president, or someone who has at least 25% shares in the company or more. Number six, how often do you need to report? Now, it's not every year, but you'll need to file an initial report and then update it within 30 days if there are big changes in your company. Number seven, what happens if you don't report? If you skip on filing the BOI report, it could cost you big, up to $500 a day for a maximum of $10,000 per violation, or even jail time of up to 2 years of imprisonment. Number eight, if you're getting ready to file, figure out first if your company needs to file or if you're exempt from filing. Then identify who your beneficial owners are and get their details sorted out. You may need to obtain what's called a FINCEN identifier. If you set up your company before 2024, you have more breathing room. However, if you set up your entity, LLCs, corporations, partnerships in 2024, then remember, you only have 90 days from the date of filing. If you're concerned about not filing this report correctly and possibly being penalized, then reach out to my office and we can help you file this report.